Welcome to the world of Amazon FBA private label, where entrepreneurship meets innovation. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. They then list their product on the Amazon marketplace and tap into a $2 billion industry globally. As your product builds reviews and starts selling, Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, and even customer service. Private labeling involves sourcing generic products from manufacturers, adding your unique branding, and selling them as your own. It's a way to create your brand without inventing a new product from scratch. The Amazon FBA private label model combines these two concepts. As a seller, you find a product with market potential, create a unique brand around it, and let Amazon handle the logistics. Here's how it works. A. Sourcing. Find a reliable supplier to produce your chosen product. B. Branding. Design a unique logo and packaging that reflects your brand's identity. C. Shipping to Amazon. Send your products to an Amazon fulfillment center. D. Listing and marketing. Create a compelling product listing on Amazon and promote it to your target audience. E. Fulfillment. Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service. The benefits of this model are numerous. You get access to Amazon's vast customer base, streamlined logistics, and the opportunity to build a brand that you own. Plus, with Amazon's Prime shipping, your customers receive their orders quickly, enhancing their shopping experience. However, success in Amazon FBA private label requires careful planning and strategy. You need to select the right product, manage inventory, and stay ahead of competition. Market research, quality control, and effective marketing are crucial to standing out in the marketplace. Amazon FBA private label offers a powerful platform for building your brand and business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing business, this model can open doors to new opportunities. Ready to start your Amazon FBA private label journey? Subscribe for more tips and insights, and let's turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more insights and strategies to succeed in the world of e-commerce.